What is up, guys? Welcome to CJ's Vlogs and welcome to another video. Today we are in a Toyota Supra Mark 5 and the owner said to drive it like you stole it. And that's exactly what we're going to do today, because this, listen to that, is no ordinary Supra. There we go. Beautiful. It's such a beautiful car to drive. You know, the big debate was this car is built on certain BMW components, such as the engine, which is the 3-liter inline-six. The B58 that's in the 240i, 140i, 440i, those 40i models, even the Z4, amongst other BMW models. The gearbox is the ZF 8-speed that is in the BMW models. This is amazing. And a few other things that are in this car, but the way Toyota themselves have set up the car, the way they've designed the look, it is completely their DNA, and it is absolutely beautiful. When you see this car out on the road, it is extremely dynamic. I mentioned that this car is not stock, and that is exactly how a Supra should be. So it's got downpipes, boost pipes, upgraded turbo, rated to 800 horsepower. It's not making that at the moment, but knowing the guys at M-Town Customs and owner himself, this car is not going to stay in this sort of mid performance for a very long time. It's also got upgraded springs, it's got a K&A air filter. I'll put the full list of the mods in the description below. Unbelievable. But while I am stuck behind some cars, let me just tell you that this is an incredible car to be in, because the looks are unreal. I mean, this car is very Japanese from the outset. It looks incredible, and on the inside, a lot of people are going to argue, oh, it's all BMW and da-da-da-da-da. Both BMW and Toyota have made well-built cars for many, many, many years, and that's how you feel when you get in this car. Everything is just placed right, everything feels good, all the materials are around you. You know, you've got these contrast stitching that runs through the dashboard. It's a lot of quality that's in this car. And the most important thing, this is a driver's car, so the idea of where you're placed in a car is bang on in this car. You are not in the center, so because of this long bonnet that you've got in front, you're sort of placed towards the back, but you're nice and low, and you can feel the car move on the rear axle. It's very responsive. You feel very much like you're in a fighter jet. And that's exactly how this car accelerates. It's unbelievable. Now, I have no benchmark for this car, because although I've driven 240s, 140s, all of that, I've never driven the standard Mark 5 Supra, so I don't know what it's like. But this car is so effervescent. The way it's been modded for looks is striking. You look at this car, you can't miss it. And it's finished in the beautiful red color that they call prominent red, I believe, from Toyota's factory. But the carbon pack on it, it's a full carbon aero kit, makes it look extremely dynamic. It's got these 20-inch wheels that are just out of this world. It really shows off those bright yellow calipers, and there's a little met injection tank sitting in the back. Although it's not boosting full, it is absolutely incredible. Once this car hooks up, it does. The key to driving this specific Supra is to not drive it in sport. You've got to drive it in sport with the traction control off, because it's making so much of power, which I cannot give you because I haven't seen the dyno sheets. I don't think it's been dynoed yet, but surely with all of these mods, it's making tons of power. But in sport mode, it always holds back. The systems cannot handle the amount of power, extra power that's going through the car. So you've got to switch the traction control off. So enough talking, more driving. Those figures come up very quickly, my friend. It gives you such a rush because you feel so connected. Now, I've never driven a Mark IV Supra. I've always admired them. It's a timeless design. You know, it's an icon. The name itself goes back generations. But I can imagine that this is sort of what that car's characteristics are like. Wow. Is it missing a manual? Not really. The ZF is absolutely quick in this. I think the mods help in this car. But it's just... beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I can't think of anything else that makes me feel like this car does. And it's so excited, it just lights up its rear tires, just like that. And these rear sections are 305, so it's way wider than the standard tires, which I think helps the case, because if this had the standard wheels, we'd be all over the show. Ooh, this is going to be the first time that I go absolutely out with this car, because I've been sort of getting used to it, because it's just so... Here we go. Whoa, unbelievable. I'm actually getting tingles. The way it's effervescent, it's exciting, it's everything you want in a driver's car. The sound, the feeling, that little bit of I'm gonna kill you if you don't be careful, I'm gonna kill you. And I love that, absolutely love that. Wow, Toyota, what a machine. Absolutely. Look, Toyota, BMW, what a partnership, you know. The history of Supra, the amazing package that BMW bring to the table as well. Massive congratulations to their engineering team. And then to the owner who mods the car in a way that makes it feel like this. It just takes everything I could imagine that a standard Supra would be and would heighten it. And that is just the perfect way to bring out the potential of a car. I don't know what to say. It makes me feel so involved in the experience. And that's just the ultimate for any driver. If you're a driver, that's what you want. You want to feel every part of the car. You're so connected to everything. It's like you're locked in. A massive thank you to the guys from M-Town Customs. This is just incredible. Thank you to the owner for giving me the opportunity to experience this Supra in particular. And what a machine, guys. What a machine. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.